Welcome to the 2026 AI Developer Verdict, comparing Cursor, Copilot, and Claude Code to see which one truly delivers. It's time to stop comparing apples to oranges. These tools serve different functions. Copilot accelerates typing, Cursor predicts multi-file edits, and Claude Code autonomously executes tasks. The true ROI is now measured in hours eliminated, not just keystrokes saved. Where does the AI live? Copilot is a plugin in your existing editor. Cursor is an entire editor, replacing your environment for deeper control. Claude Code lives in your terminal, touching your file system directly without needing a UI. Copilot remains the universal standard at $10 per month. Its core strength is unmatched inline ghost text and typing velocity, working across all major IDEs. In 2026, it offers multi-model agents assigned from issue trackers, providing 55% faster task completion for line-by-line coding. Cursor, the multi-file predictor at $20 per month, excels with sub-second next edit predictions across multiple files. Its agentic power allows nested subagents and isolated cloud VMs, leveraging deep semantic indexing of the entire repository. This makes it 10x faster for greenfield prototyping and MVPs. Claude Code, the heavy lifter at $20 per month or more, provides fully autonomous, multi-step execution, including writes, tests, and self-debugging. It has a massive context limit of 1 million tokens, ingesting entire codebases and architecture documents, and offers over 300 integrations. It has zero inline autocomplete, focusing entirely on reasoning and execution. Looking at the 2026 benchmark reality, Cursor wins on speed with 51.7% accuracy at 62.9 seconds. Copilot wins on cost efficiency with 56% accuracy at 89.9 seconds. Claude Code wins on deep reasoning with 72.5% accuracy, though it is slower. Context size is the new moat for complex architectural refactors. Copilot understands 64K to 128K tokens. Cursor handles around 200K tokens. Claude Code can process up to 1 million tokens, holding the auth layer, API, and DB schema simultaneously. Matching the tool to the task is key. For greenfield projects and MVPs, Cursor's sub-second autocomplete is best. For daily maintenance, Copilot is familiar and low friction. For massive refactors involving 10 or more files, Claude Code's autonomous execution saves human hours. The replace your editor tax is a real consideration. Cursor requires abandoning your current IDE, as it is a standalone VS Code fork. If your team uses JetBrains, Xcode, Visual Studio, or NeoVim, Copilot is the only option for embedded AI agents. Scaling beyond the individual, Copilot Business offers IP indemnity, SAML SSO, SOC2, and native GitHub integration. Cursor Enterprise offers SOC2 Type 2 and centralized admin. Claude Code Enterprise is HIPAA ready with no model training. Copilot is currently the only tool offering legal IP indemnification. Pricing out a team of 10, Copilot Business is about $11,400 over 5 years. Cursor Business is about $24,000. Claude Code is API metered, making it highly variable. Copilot saves $12,600, but Cursor's productivity gains may offset its premium. Senior developers in 2026 don't choose just one, they layer them. Layer 1 is Copilot, in their preferred IDE for zero latency inline typing. Layer 2 is Claude Code in the terminal, for heavy, autonomous refactoring. The combined cost is around $30 per month, offering maximum capability without workflow conflicts. When choosing your in-editor AI path, opt for Copilot if you use JetBrains or Xcode, have a strict budget, require IP indemnity, or prioritize proven stability. Choose Cursor if you work in VS Code, want multi-file agentic editing, prioritize raw coding speed, and have the budget. The 2026 rule of thumb is simple. Buy Copilot to make individuals type faster, Cursor to make individuals build faster, and Claude Code to let the AI build for you. The best tool is the one that removes your team's specific bottleneck.